Tree diagrams without replacement. OP takes a counter from the box shown below, notes its colour and does not return it to the box. He then takes a second counter. What is the probability that the first counter taken is yellow? Well, if we look at the box, we can count the different counters in there, and there are 9 of them. And 2 of those are yellow, and 7 are red. So the probability the first counter is yellow is 2/9. What is the probability that the second counter taken is yellow, given that the first counter taken was yellow? So if the first counter taken is yellow, the box has now changed. There's now 8 counters in there, 1 of which is yellow, and 7 of which are red. So the probability now is 1 out of 8. We want to draw a tree diagram for the situation. So, when he first picks, he can get yellow or red. The probability of getting yellow the first time is 2 out of 9, and red would be 7 out of 9. Then he picks again, and once again you can get yellow or red. Now we just discussed the situation of getting here. The first one is yellow. First one is yellow means the probability of getting yellow the second time is 1 out of 8. For red the second time, that would be 7 out of 8. But if we'd got to here, where we took a red one the first time, then this yellow would still be in the box, but one of the reds would now be missing. So what we would have are 8 counters in the box, 2 yellows, and 6 reds. So yellow would now be 2 out of 8, and red would be 6 out of 8. What is the probability that OP gets 2 red counters? So, to get 2 red counters, he would need to go here and here. He would get a red the first time and a red the second time. And in probability, when you say the word and, it means multiply. So that's going to be 7 over 9 multiplied by 6 over 8. And of course that cancels down to 3/4. And then we can cancel this 3 with this 9. So we have 7 times 1, which is 7, over 3 times 4, which is 12, so it would be 7/12. A red and a yellow in that order. So red, then yellow, so it's getting a red, and then getting a yellow. So that's 7 over 9 multiplied by 2 over 8. Of course this will cancel down to 1 over 4. And then from there we'll get 7 over 9 times 4, which is 36. And then in part 3 we want a red and a yellow in any order. Well, we already did red yellow, so yellow red is the other one we want. So that would be 2 over 9 multiplied by 7 over 8. We can cancel down here. And that gives us 7 over 36. So this one here is 7 over 36. This one here is 7 out of 36. And to get red or yellow in any order, that means this or this. And when we see or in probability, we add. So that's going to be 7 over 36, add 7 over 36, which is 14 over 36, which is 7 over 18.